Voiceflow V4 is built on a new agentic framework we've engineered to make it easier than ever to build, deploy, and maintain high-performing AI agents for customer experience. In past versions of Voiceflow, you had to build every agent individually and connect them together on a canvas. This was, and still is, a powerful system that gives you complete control when building agents, but canvas-based systems have a scaling problem. The number of connections you need to maintain grows rapidly. 2 agents need 1 connection, 5 agents need 10, and so on. And every one of those connections has to be maintained to keep the conversation fluid. V4 takes a different approach. Instead of wiring every connection by hand, the agentic framework reasons about which agent to involve and when, orchestrating the conversation for you in real time. Let me show you how it works, starting with a new agent screen, which is the hub for your agent's capabilities and controls. This is a customer service agent for Inventables, a popular direct-to-consumer CNC machine company and one of our beta partners for Voiceflow V4. Inventables wanted to offer their customers support that goes beyond FAQs and email tickets. They wanted real-time product setup guidance and troubleshooting, available 24/7. In V4, you build a single agent and give it skills, rather than building dozens of individual agents and wiring them together. It all starts with identity. The Inventables agent has one global prompt that defines who it is, its persona, carve, along with response guidelines and security guardrails. Everything the agent needs to know about how to behave before it knows what to do. We've also added default guidelines, which automatically layer in prompting best practices so your agent works well right out of the box. Next, you give it skills. On the right, you'll see system tools, always on capabilities like the knowledge base, buttons, cards, carousels for chat, and call forwarding for voice. Each tool comes with instructions, so the agent knows not just what it can do, but when to do it. Between identity and capabilities, you have an agent up and handling real customer questions in minutes. Even a single one-line persona combined with Voiceflow's default guidelines and system tools is enough to get started. But V4 agents go far beyond answering questions. Let's look at skills, which give your agents instructions on how to complete complex tasks. There are 2 types of agent skills in V4, playbooks and workflows. Let's get started with playbooks. Playbooks are natural language instructions that tell your agent how to complete a specific task. No flowcharts, no decision trees, just clear written guidance that the agent reads, reasons through, and adapts based on the conversation. On the right under skills, you can see Carve has playbooks, product setup and troubleshooting to help customers get set up and resolve issues with their machines, and product recommendations, when and how to remember different Inventables products based on what the customer needs. The agent decides which playbook to use and when. You don't have to map that logic yourself. The same goes for system tools. Instead of manually placing buttons and carousels throughout a flow, the agent decides when and how to use them based on the guidelines that you've set. Let's try it out. When the conversation starts, Carve greets us and uses buttons to offer a few ways it can help, a decision it's made on its own based on its system tools and guidelines. Let's start with a product recommendation. The agent recognizes the intent, calls its product recommendations playbook, asks the right questions to narrow things down, and when it's confident in a match, presents the products as a visual card. Now let's say I just got my new machine and need help getting it set up. The moment I mention that, the agent recognizes the shift in intent and switches to product setup and troubleshooting. No predefined routing, no decision trees. It's reading the conversation and deciding how to respond in real time. In previous generations, you'd need separate flows for every product and scenario. Now, this is a single playbook that gives the agent a broad framework for helping customers get set up and resolving their issues. Its source of truth is Zendesk's knowledge base, so anytime a new article is added, the agent can use it immediately. You can see it pulling from the KB, deciding what's relevant, narrowing the problem space, and surfacing the right guidance, all live. When it needs more information, it asks probing questions to understand the customer's setup. Once it has enough context, it determines the best path, whether that's sharing a help article or walking through steps one by one. And if I ask an unrelated question along the way, the agent handles it seamlessly, answering from the knowledge base without losing the thread of the main conversation. And here's where it really comes together. When the agent determines an issue is beyond what it can resolve, it makes that call itself. It switches to the ticket creation workflow, gathers all the necessary details, and files a Zendesk ticket for the Inventables team to take over. No dead ends, no sorry I can't help, just the right next step. The agentic framework handled the heavy lifting, deciding which playbooks to invoke, which tools to use, and how to adapt as the conversation evolved. But what about when order matters? When specific steps need to happen in a certain sequence, and you need to guarantee it? That's where workflows come in. Workflows are the second type of agent skill. Like playbooks, the agent decides when to call a workflow. But unlike playbooks, workflows execute step by step, exactly as you've designed them on the canvas. And here's what makes them really powerful. The steps inside a workflow aren't limited to simple logic. A single step can contain a playbook, an API call, conditional logic, even an entire sub-agent. The sequence is guaranteed, but each step can be intelligent as you need it to be. Let me show you how. Here's our workflow builder for the ticket creation workflow. You'll also notice this is an entirely redesigned canvas, rebuilt from the ground up for V4, with cleaner blocks, customizable colors, full resizability, and new step editors. But let's focus on what this workflow is actually doing. Step 1 is a playbook. The agent reasons through the full conversation, asking probing questions to gather the customer details, and compiles a summary of what's already been tried. This is open-ended AI reasoning, but it's happening at a defined point in the sequence. The workflow doesn't move to step 2 until the playbook has everything it needs. Step 2 calls the Zendesk API to create the ticket, attaching the AI-generated summary so the support team has full context. Step 3 confirms the ticket number back to the customer. That's the key idea. The workflow guarantees control over the sequence. That's the power of playbooks and workflows together. Playbooks handle unstructured tasks. The agent reasons through them flexibly, adapting as the conversation unfolds, while workflows handle the structured, guaranteeing a specific sequence. And they nest. A workflow can contain a playbook, giving you AI reasoning at any step without sacrificing the guarantee that every step executes in order. The agent decides which skill to use and when. One orchestration layer, 2 types of execution, and 0 compromise on autonomy and control.